The weather's been quiet on Youth Day with lots of sunshine extending across the country, other than some cloud over the southwestern parts as well as some moisture pushing in over the far eastern part of the country, even resulting in some evening drizzle along the eastern escarpment. For the rest of South Africa though, we can expect clear conditions other than some cloud remaining over the southwestern parts, and we're even expecting that cloud to remain over that part of South Africa through to Tuesday. Partly cloudy conditions are expected along the KwaZulu-Natal coast and over the far northeastern part of the country, but with a sunny forecast for the rest of South Africa with mild maximum temperatures for much of the interior. For tonight, we have a dry forecast for the majority of the country, other than a slight chance of drizzle along the eastern escarpment. In Bloemfontein tonight, we're expecting bitterly cold conditions with a minimum of -4, with fine and dry weather and a light southwesterly wind. Tomorrow we can expect more of a northerly component to the wind with a maximum temperature of 18 degrees and a sunny forecast with blue skies overhead. On Monday night, we can expect light winds over the northeastern part of the country. In fact, that takes us through all the way to Tuesday, with a northerly component to the wind expected throughout the Northern Cape and more of a northeasterly wind starting to form along the east coast in the afternoon, with fresh winds in the forecast for KwaZulu-Natal. Overnight, we're expecting a minimum of 1 degree for Uppington, -1 for Kimberley, freezing as we head into Mahikeng, 6 for Pretoria, 12 for Durban and Cape Town, 8 degrees for George, Port Elizabeth and Bishu, and Sutherland expecting a minimum of -4 degrees. Then tomorrow afternoon, we can expect relatively warm weather for KwaZulu-Natal, 25 degrees for Richards Bay, 21 along the eastern Cape Coast, 18 for George, 19 for Cape Town, with a warm day for Uppington at 24, still cool for Johannesburg and Bethlehem at 17 degrees, with a high of 20 for Pretoria, Polokwane and Bombela. On Wednesday, we're expecting warm weather for KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld, with a fine and mild day for Gauteng as well as the rest of the interior, but with a cold front bringing in cooler weather over the southern part of the country, with a possibility of rainfall mainly along the western Cape Coast, reaching Port Elizabeth by Wednesday night. Then on Thursday, we're expecting rain from Cape Town all the way through to Richards Bay, even extending through to Bombela by Thursday night, with fine and dry weather over the interior but with cooler temperatures in the forecast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Know more. eNCA.com